Hello friends, hope everyone is doing great. Today we are going to look at a budget tablet from Lenovo, Tab M8 Full HD. It's a very cheap tablet from Lenovo. It starts at 10,999 rupees. This is a second generation device from Lenovo. Last year they released a very similar product, M8 HD. The only difference being they upgraded the display this year to 1080p, which is good. Let's look at some of its specifications. So this device has a powerful octa-core chip, 13 megapixel rear camera with flash, not to expect too much from that. Long battery life, which we'll see. It supports dual Wi-Fi bands. Okay, this particular device is a Wi-Fi only variant, platinum gray color, comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. In case if you are interested in other variants of this tablet and prices, I have posted on the screen. This device is powered by MediaTek Helio P22T processor. You'll see this processor being used in mostly all budget tablets. The display is an IPS panel of resolution 1920 by 1200, not bad at all. It's running Android 10 operating system. It comes with a battery 5100 milliamp hour capacity, which they claim up to 15 to 18 hours of battery life. Let's open this up and see what we got. All right, so let's open this up. So we can see the tablet itself on the top. It's nice and compact. Lenovo branding. We'll keep this tablet aside for a minute. Let's see what other things we get in the package. We get a charging brick with a USB type A connector and a cable. Unfortunately, it's a micro USB cable. Lenovo has not yet decided to offer us type C on their lower end budget tablets. So keep this aside. On this side of the box, we've got SIM ejector tool. Keep this aside, and of course some booklets and manuals. Keep this aside as well. So that's all in the package. We'll now take a look at the tablet itself. Alright, so I've got this tablet. I must say I like the size of this tablet. It's fairly compact. The back of this tablet is fully aluminum with matte finish. It doesn't attract any fingerprints, which is good. It's looking beautiful. I really like this back of this back finish of this tablet. You've got a 13 megapixel camera over here with LED flash, which is nice. On the top, you've got single speaker setup tuned by Dolby and a headphone jack, which is surprising. On the other side, you've got power button and a volume rocker. On the bottom, you've got micro USB port for charging and microphone input. And on this side, you've got micro SD slot for external storage, which is a nice touch as well. Overall, I like the build quality of this tablet. So let's power this up and see what we got. All right, here we go. So I have already done the initial setup on this device and I was playing with it for a while. I must say the performance is okay on this device. It's not too good, it's not too bad. And that is to be expected from these kind of budget tablets. So I am okay with that. And again, these tablets are usually meant for lightweight tasks like reading books, viewing videos, checking emails, browsing. I think you will not find any issues, with those type of tasks on this tablet. So let's look at the display of this device. All right, I like to play this video. to check out the display. And I must say I'm impressed with the display quality on this device. The colors are natural, not too saturated, not too washed out, and the display quality itself is very good. It's pretty sharp. um, I think you will enjoy watching videos and movies on this device for sure. And it supports all OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and other um, services. You will not find any issues with this tablet. So overall, I think I like the IPS panel on this device. It's 8-inch size. I like the colors. I like the sharpness, display quality. I think Lenovo has done a pretty good job here by upgrading the display to 1080p this year. So overall, the display is good. Alright, so let's check the speaker quality on this device. So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay. All right, so I think it's the speaker quality is okay, but it's not the loudest speakers I've heard. So it's okay performing speakers. I think most people will be satisfied with that. I'm pretty happy with the performance of this tablet. I was able to play some high-end games without any issues. On some games, you may have to lower the settings for it to run smoothly, but I must say the performance was decent enough. So I can easily recommend this tablet as one of the best budget tablets available in the market right now. The price starts at 10,999 rupees. So I'll post the link in the description box in case if you are interested in this one. That's it for today. I will see you in my next video. Until then, see you. Bye.